USifiso Mkwanazi uvele nje kancinci kwinkundla kaMantyi eRhawutini namhlanje ucele inkundla ukuba utata wakhe angavunyelwa ukuba aze kumbona entolongweni. Utyhola utata wakhe ukufuna ukuba avume ityala.
I would like the court to, in the accused J7, state that the father of the accused is barred from visiting him until he finalizes this matter, because the accused is not happy.
Mantyi uthi uMkhwanazi nilungelo longabona entolongweni.
It cannot be compelled because it will be useless. It will be a futile exercise to have such a confession. Please, people, that is very sensitive. Accused still has his right. He is innocent until he is proven guilty.
Ilungu lombutho i-Sex Workers Movement lithi khange zikwazi ukuzibamba iintsapho zamaxhoba emva kokubona uMkhwanazi.
The two family members that I spoken outside the court, they couldn't contain because of they've been wanting to see the suspect, and some of them were like, is he that small, you know, because they thought, you know, sometimes you can say 20, but when you really now see the face, like he's just a boy, but how can he do this to our own? And then they couldn't contain themselves. So what we have to do is to make sure we give them a private space so that they can mourn.
uMkhwanazi akabekho tyala ngokuphathele neminye imizimba emihlanu. I-NPA ithi iza kusiphikisa isicelo sebheli sikaMkhwanazi xa ebuyile enkundleni ngoMvulo kule veki zayo.